right, now let's take a look at using a SIEM in tracking and logging events from a secret server and the server itself. So what we're going to do here is we're in the configuration area for where you would actually set this up, and you can see here that we have our server settings here, and we have our port and our protocol. Pretty easy to set up. The next part of this, what you're going to do is you would, in most cases, you're going to install an agent from the actual SIEM itself. In this case, we're going to be using Wazuh. We also can do it with Splunk and others, but in this particular case, we're using Wazuh. So we're using that. And then what we're going to do over here is we're going to take a look at how that interfaces with it, and then the information being passed there. So essentially, you have the setting within Secret Server here, and you can click that and change the settings very easily right here. The next up would be it's putting in the agent of the actual SIEM itself, and then logging the events through here on the dashboard and the interface of the SIEM. So that is what we have for this, and thank you for watching.